Everyone thinks the best-selling Canon EF lenses are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Leitao 85mm f/1.8. Let's kick things off with a Leitao 85mm f/1.8 portrait lens. Priced at just $96.99, this manual focus lens caught my attention for its superb image quality and artistic potential. If you want to take your portrait photography to the next level, this is worth a serious look. This lens truly shines with its f/1.8 aperture, allowing you to achieve that beautiful, dreamy bokeh that makes your subjects pop against the background. The 6 elements in 6 groups design means you get sharp images with minimal distortion, which is crucial when you're capturing those special moments. Plus, it's super adaptable with a wide range of Canon DSLR models, from Rebels to the more advanced 5D series. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The manual focus gives you creative control, perfect for those who want to hone their skills and explore different artistic expressions. With a solid rating of 4.1 stars from about 1,500 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate what this lens brings to the table. Now, some people complained about the fully manual focus being a bit challenging. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about photography and willing to work for that perfect shot, this lens can help you develop your skills and enhance your creativity. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring portrait photographer who loves manual control. Skip this one if you prefer autofocus or need something more user-friendly. For the price, it's a steal for the quality you're getting. Now, if the manual focus thing seems daunting, the next option might actually be more your speed. Product number 2. Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63. Next up is the Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 telephoto zoom lens, which you can grab for about $137.49. This lens is fantastic for those looking to capture distant subjects without breaking the bank. If you want flexibility in your shots, this one deserves your attention. Its zoom range is really impressive, letting you get close to your subject from afar. With a minimum focusing distance of just 4.9 feet, you can even take some close-up shots if needed. The lens is lightweight, making it easy to take on your travels, and it's designed to work seamlessly with Canon's SLR cameras. Honestly, the 4.7-star rating from 1,000 reviews speaks volumes about its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're shooting wildlife or sports, this lens allows you to get that shot you might miss with a standard lens. However, some users noted that it lacks image stabilization, which can be a deal-breaker for some. But if you're steady with your hands or using a tripod, this isn't a major concern. This is perfect for you if you love photography on the go and want a lightweight zoom option. Skip this one if you need stabilization for low light conditions. It offers great value for the versatility you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for low light performance. Product number 3. Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM. The Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM lens is our next choice, priced at $169. This lens is a favorite among many photographers, and it's easy to see why. If you're after sharp images and great low-light performance, this lens is worth checking out. The f/1.8 aperture allows for stunning depth of field, making it an excellent choice for portraits and night photography. With a minimum focusing distance of just 1.15 feet, you can get up close and personal with your subjects. The stepping motor, STM, provides near-silent autofocus, which is a major plus if you're shooting video. The lens boasts a stellar rating of 4.8 stars with over 18,400 reviews, indicating its popularity and reliability. Here's why this matters for you. The 50mm focal length is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for everything from landscapes to portraits. One minor drawback is that a few users reported some plastic construction, which could feel less premium. But if you're careful, this shouldn't deter you from its outstanding performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a great all-around lens that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need a zoom lens or prefer a heavier build. It's an excellent value for the quality of images you'll capture. Now, if you're looking for something more specialized for distant shots, the next lens is definitely for you. Product number 4. Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 updated. Another solid option is the updated Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 telephoto zoom lens, available for around $213.35. This lens is designed for those who want a bit more power in their shots. If you're focused on capturing distant action, this one's worth your attention. This version retains the excellent zoom range and minimum focusing distance of 4.9 feet, just like its predecessor. It's built to enhance the zooming experience with a smoother mechanism, making it easier to get the perfect shot. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon EF mount DSLRs, making it a versatile choice. With a 4.7-star rating from over 5,800 reviews, users appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you. This lens is perfect for sports, wildlife, or any situation where you need to zoom in quickly. However, do keep in mind that it doesn't come with image stabilization, which some users found frustrating. But honestly, if you're a bit steady or use a tripod, you'll still get fantastic shots. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable zoom lens for action photography. Skip this one if you require stabilization for shaky hands. It's a good value considering the level of zoom you're getting. Now, if you want a lens with image stabilization, the next one is definitely worth looking into. Product number 5. Canon EF 70 to 300mm f/4-5.6 IS/USM. Finally, let's talk about the Canon EF 70 to 300mm f/4-5.6 IS/USM lens, which is priced at $499. This lens is an investment, but offers significant benefits for serious photographers. If you want top-notch performance with image stabilization, this is the one to consider. The 3-stop image stabilizer helps reduce camera shake, making it easier to capture sharp shots even in low-light conditions. The USM autofocus is fast and quiet, which is crucial for capturing fleeting moments. The lens is well rated with 4.6 stars from 1,000 reviews, showing that users are satisfied with its performance. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're shooting nature, concerts, or portraits, this lens can handle it all with ease thanks to its versatility. Now, some users found it a bit heavy for long shoots, which can lead to fatigue. But if you're serious about your craft, the trade-off in weight for quality is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable lens for varied situations. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight lenses for casual photography. Considering the features, it's a solid investment for great quality. That wraps up our list of the top Canon EF lenses. Each one has unique strengths, whether it's portraiture, zooming in on wildlife, or capturing beautiful blurred backgrounds. So, we've covered some fantastic options from the Lightdow 85mm for stunning portraits to the Canon EF 70 to 300mm with its image stabilization for versatile shooting. Each lens has its strengths and suits different photography needs. No matter which one you choose, you're set to capture amazing images.